I've been selling way more paid products regarding Amazon FBA lately. If you don't know, I opened a new group mentorship, I opened some new seats from a group that started last week and a group that started this Monday. And I've had a lot of hate because of it. And I wanted to talk a little bit about that because you guys need to be ready to hate on me more because due to the fact that a lot of you motherfuckers are really, really, really ungrateful, I'm going to put a lot of my free products, I'm going to turn them into new products. But in today's video, I wanted to address a little bit all of that and talk about, mentorship, talk about gurus, talk about all that stuff. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, right here on YouTube, for free, to teach your ungrateful ass how to run a successful Amazon FBA business. So, if you do not know me, subscribe and like this video because you get all this free content that teach you how to sell on Amazon. Alright? So, as I was saying, I've received a lot, not a lot of hate, I receive a lot of love as well, but I did receive a lot of hate regarding me pushing my group mentorship, right? And I think that a lot of you guys, not everybody, but a lot of you guys are really, really, really ungrateful motherfuckers. And I'm going to tell you why. The reason why is because I've been teaching people for free for a long ass time. All right, for a long ass time, I've been teaching people for free. I pretty much did the mentorship thing for free for a ton of weeks, for a couple of months on Discord with a ton of people. And this is the reason why a lot of you guys are really ungrateful motherfuckers, because you can literally go on my channel and see the work that I've done for free. You can literally see it. How many people I helped for free. How much stuff that I do for free, like the Walgreens links. I literally, like, this is the thing that pissed me the most. That pissed me off the most, right? I literally told you guys, I had a whole ass video on how to source Walgreens, on literally what product to buy, and what you should be looking at every single week. Every single Sunday. I literally have a video telling you this. It's an easy way to make money, to start to reach your first $10,000 a month on Amazon. It was the easiest way. Now with the Nature Made, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's easy. And I literally have my VA that I pay from my own pocket, all right? I'm literally paying my VAs. I'm paying them to send you ungrateful motherfuckers, a spreadsheet with the links of every single promotion that is currently going on Walgreens. You can get this for free. You could get this for free because it's over. It's over for your ass. If you are in the list already, you got it. If you're not, it's going to change really soon, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that. But like, you can literally get this for free, organized by fucking promotion, by the fucking discount, if it's 50%, 25%, so you can scan all this shit easily, or you can go through it manually easily. Like, and literally, I'm paying my VAs for your ungrateful ass to receive this for free. Okay? And so this is what pissed me the most, that pissed me off the most. So I'm telling you right now, price is going up. And by the way, price is going up on every single thing for you motherfuckers. Price is going up. Okay? The Walgreens links, I'm going to make it $1. Okay? The Walgreens links from now on for new sellers is going to be $1. If you go on the website and you sign up and it's not asking you for anything, go sign up as soon as possible. Because like right now you can see, I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation right now, right? So I don't know if I'll do it right now because I need to change the sales funnel, but I'm going to make this $1 a month for your ass. That's it. It's going to be $1 a month. Nothing else is going to be for free. My free ebooks that teach you exactly, because I have, the craziest thing is, I just dropped some coffee because you guys piss me off so much. I have a paid product that I call the target list, okay? That is a list of every single promotion on every single website that I track, that my VA makes for me every single morning. This is a paid product, but I literally have a free product that gives you pretty much the SOP on how to do the exact same thing. 100% for free. Price is going up for you motherfuckers as well. $14.99, all right? And maybe I'll make it more. I don't know. It's not going to be free anymore. That's it, all right? That's it. $14.99 for my ebook on how to build a target list and how to source online arbitrage products. I'm sorry, but you guys, because you want to hate on me, you're going to hate on me for a reason, all right? Guess what? Guess what? I told you I don't want to make a course because I have everything available on my YouTube channel. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a course and I'm going to make you motherfuckers paid for it. No more free help. No more free help on everything. I may make a beginner course that is going to be for free, but that's over for the free shit because a lot of you guys are ungrateful motherfuckers. By the way, if you've been on the channel for a little while, if you left a screenshot, if you left a comment on my channel, either on this video on today's release or in the past before this day, and there's a product that you don't have and it's a paid product now that you see this video, just send me a screenshot of the comments and tell me, hey, it's me, and leave another comment on a recent video and tell me, hey, I want to get the Walgreens link list, whatever, I got you, all right? I got you for free, I don't care. But like the main reason, to be honest, the main reason why I wanted to do a lot of shit like this for free was because, you know, I was telling myself, you know what? There's a lot of paid products that are shit. I don't want to be associated with these guys. So I'm going to do this shit for free and I'm going to have low prices on a lot of my products to help as many people as I want, as I can, I'm sorry. It's over. It's over for you, okay? It's over for you guys. I don't give a fuck anymore. I don't give a fuck anymore because when I see, because the amount of hate that I get when I push a paid product, with all the shit, and compared to the amount of love that I get for the free products that I do, like the amount of hate that I get when I push, because why cannot I make money with the work that I do? Because you guys are too used to get shit for free. With all the daily videos that I do to teach you to sell on Amazon, you guys are too used to do shit for free. To get shit for free, to not pay for shit. With all the free work that I do, with all the shit that I've done for the community for free. You guys are getting too used to this. You guys are getting too comfortable with this shit. So a lot of this shit is going to be a paid product now. And I don't give a fuck about the price anymore for all the new guys that are going to join. You cannot afford it, it's not my problem, okay? Your business is like all the help that I've given for free for people that had their account suspended. Helping through the appeal process, all this shit. With people charging $3,000 just to take care of that for you. I'm literally giving you the game plan for all this shit for free. I'm giving you game plan on how to source specific websites for free. I've given it to you for Walgreens. I've given it to you for Ulta. I have given you the game plan on how to run this business on so many processes for free. I have stuff in my free videos. I have stuff that people do not even talk about in paid course. Stuff that goes so deep that even on paid course, people do not even talk about this. I've done all that for free. Right now that's over. I'm going to charge your ass. I'm going to overcharge your ass for everything. Because I need to make money for the work that I do for all your ungrateful motherfuckers. You're going to pay. You're going to pay for this shit. You're going to pay for all my product. I guarantee that you're going to pay for my product. It's over with the free shit. And I dropped some more coffee. That's fine. I don't care. Because you're going to pay for it. You're going to pay. It's a 5-star hotel. You're going to pay for this shit with the money that you are going to pay for my product. You ungrateful motherfuckers. That's over. Walgreens links, price going up. Free ebook, not free anymore. All the other free shit. My repricing rules. Like, people in their course do not go as deep as I went with the repricing rules, on repricing. I literally gave you a flow chart for free that I made for you for free with which rule to use in which occasion on Be Cool. I gave you my exact rules. 15 different repricing rules, I believe. Maybe not 15, but more than 10 different repricing rules. And when to use them with a flow chart. Like, this is actually crazy. Like, the internet is really an ungrateful place. That's really crazy. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. Price going up on almost everything. Sign up right now because I'm going to be too lazy to change it today probably, but price is going up, I guarantee. And I'm done with free products. I'm going to do like all these gurus because this is what you guys wanted. I'm going to do like all these gurus. I'm going to have one dumb ass, unhelpful tripwire, like tripwire just to get your information, and then I'm going to remarket your eyes for with all my paid products. Because that's the way it goes. Like the internet is an ungrateful place. I better just get my money and leave you guys starving. Alright? So thank you for watching. I'll see you later.